Hello everyone, and welcome to Chapter 8. So one of the new types of problems that we're going to work on in Chapter 8 are working together problems or cooperation problems. And they typically go like this. Brenda can clean the kitchen in 30 minutes. Her dad can clean it in 15 minutes. If they work together, how long will it take them? So for this video, all we want to do is we want to be able to draw our pictures of Brenda and her dad, and we want to be able to set up the formula. We're going to have a whole separate video on how to solve the formulas. But here we have Brenda, and here we have her dad, and it takes Brenda 30 minutes to clean the kitchen, and it takes Dad 15 minutes. Now, the critical question to ask is how much can each do in 1 minute? That's the critical question. So, Brenda, it takes her 30 minutes to do the kitchen. So, in 1 minute, she can do 1/30th of the job. Dad, it takes him 15 minutes to do the kitchen. So how much can he do in 1 minute? Well, he can do 1/15th of the job. So the formula that we're going to create is 1/30th plus 1/15 equals 1 over x. And this 1 over x is really the portion of the job completed after 1 minute. Okay, that's what that stands for. So we have Brenda can do 1/30th of the job, Dad can do 1/15th of the job. If you add it together, after 1 minute, they've done 1 over x of the job. That's as far as we're going to take it in this video. We're going to have to do the second video to learn how to solve this problem. But let's set up another one just to make sure you understand what's going on. Okay, so here we have Fiona and her brother, and they are vacuuming the car. So let's make a picture of Fiona. Fiona has pigtails. This is Fiona. And then her little brother is not much of a help. His name is Fabio. And here's how fast they go. Fiona can clean or vacuum the car in 10 minutes. But Fabio, who generally gets busy playing with the old Cheerios that are on the floor, he takes 45 minutes to vacuum the car. So our formula that we set up is going to be what Fiona can do in 10 minutes, which is 1 over 10, and what Fabio can do in 1 minute, which is 1 over 45, and that is going to equal the total portion of the job that they can do, which is 1 over x. So that's the formula. Isn't this kind of easy? It is easy when you do just this part. Let's do it again. Ted can build a barn in 14 days. I'm going to draw a picture of Ted, and Ted has a lot of heavy eyebrows. Okay, so Ted can do a barn in 14 days. And then we have Chris, and Chris takes only 8 days. So what's our formula going to be here? Well, it's going to be 1/14th plus 1/8 equals 1 over x. This is pretty straightforward, isn't it? I know, so you're going to think that it's nuts that I'm going to make you do it one more time. But I am. Okay, so now we have Abby and Ulysses, and they are small children, and they are destroying Lego masterpieces. Abby can destroy a Lego masterpiece in 15 seconds. Ulysses only needs 5 seconds. But if they both go at it, how long would it take them to obliterate a treasured possession of their older cousin? Well, here's Abby. And we'll know it's Abby because I'll put a bow in her hair. And here's Ulysses. And it takes Abby 15 seconds. and it takes Ulysses 5 seconds. So if they work together, what would our equation be? Well, it would be 1 over 15 plus 1 over 5 equals 1 over x. That's it. That's the way you set up the problem every single time.